Welcome to today's Simplicity Specialty Training. Today's training is on action codes. We're going to first go to our User's Manual. You can get there by going to Help and then User's Manual. So if we pull up action codes in our User's Manual, this is what it has to say. Action codes are a way to flag accounts. For example, bad addresses, bad phone numbers, bill Medicaid, bankruptcy, etc. Any action codes that you create will be available to use on all other accounts in Simplicity, and they can also be filtered for during your searches. Okay, so let's go to an account and take a look at how these work. Okay, so our action code section is all the way to the right over here. The way to add an action code, we're going to click the blue plus sign. Anytime you see a blue plus sign in Simplicity, it means that you can add information. So we'll click our plus sign. Okay, so we'll name our action code. We can pick a font color. So we'll do yellow font color, and we'll pick a red background. We'll have it be blinking, bold, and underlined, and we'll click Submit. Okay, so we've just created a brand new action code. So it shows up in our drop down here. We've got several in or quite a few in our Simplicity training account, but we're going to go ahead and select Specialty Training. If we click Add Code, that action code is now added to this account. Okay, if you'd like, it doesn't have to have any special features. You can disable all of this by clicking the Edit button. Okay, so we can have it not blink, not be bold, and not underlined, and click Submit. Okay, and that just changes the format of your action code. Okay, so if we go to our home screen and we pull up our filter set, we do have a box here for action codes. And if we filter by Specialty Training, we'll click Apply Filters. It pulls up the one account that has that particular action code. Okay. So it doesn't necessarily have to be used as a flag on an account. It can be used as a secondary status because you have the ability to filter both by status and by action code in all of your filters across Simplicity. You can use it really in any way that suits the way that you do business. Are there any questions about action codes? No questions about action codes? All right, if there are no questions, we'll go ahead and conclude the training. Thanks so much for attending.